Hi everyone, I'm Damer. I'm the co-founder of IDM Fitness and Fight Club, bringing to you the first ever ADCC Northeast India Open, which will be happening on the 25th of April 2026 at Vivanta by Taj in Guwahati, Assam. We are super thrilled to announce that we are officially a month away from the biggest grappling event that's going to be happening in the Northeast region. The countdown has officially started and we are super excited to see top athletes from top gyms around the country come in to compete. We are looking forward to see our local athletes use this opportunity and give it their best. Registrations are open on SmoothCom, so if you haven't registered yet, go ahead and do it now to give your chance to represent your gym and your team. To all the head coaches out there, rally your team. We want to see which gym brings in the biggest RV this time at ADCC. I'm wishing all the athletes best of luck. Go ahead and give it your best this time. Do well in your camp and see you guys at ADCC 2026. Let's go.